How many times have you had debt settlement clients come to you after they've been paying debt settlement companies for years and now they want to file bankruptcy? Well, what if you could sue the debt settlement companies and get all their payments back to pay for the bankruptcy? I'm here with Leonard Boyer, who is doing just that for his clients. He's suing the debt settlement companies under the unauthorized practice of law, and he is winning over and over. Leonard, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Phil. Also, the other thing that's very powerful is the New Jersey Consumer Fraud Act, which I also add in because it provides for triple damages plus attorney's fees.
And there you have it. So now when you have a client come to you that's currently in paying that, this is a natural thing you do every single time.
Absolutely. And I also tell them, as soon as you leave my office, if the bank is still open, you go to the bank or a credit union and you specifically in person revoke their authority to do that, let them know you've been defrauded, and open a new account either at that credit union or bank or at another bank or credit union.
And Leonard, why do these people? I mean, it's worked every time for you. Like, so it's you're looking at this and saying this is a contract of adhesion. It's unfairly balanced. One, you're practicing law when you're not supposed to. The New Jersey law regarding consumer fraud, and you basically send a letter. Would you be willing to share those letters with us?
Yeah, I can share some of the letters.
That'd be great. We'll have this as downloads in the description. How many back and forths do they go typically before they cave?
2 to 3
Two to three.
sometimes.
And they don't
And I
want
se-
they
and
don't
I
want to go to
send it
court.
no, and I send it by priority mail.
What tell us more. These are debtor attorneys watching this. What else would you say to these debtor attorneys?
I would say to the debtor attorneys to emphasize the detriment to taking this to a to a lawsuit. How are you going to justify to a judge you're engaging in the unauthorized practice of law and you've preyed on people? Typically, you're getting an adhesion contract.
You send these debt settlement companies this letter. Do they respond right away, or do they ghost you the first time?
One has responded right away, and a couple of others waited till the second or third letter, but they've all settled.
And they all settle, and you're asking for all the fees that the client has paid, plus your time for writing the letters.
Correct.
And
I'm asking for my fee to represent the client. Tell the client it's going to be 1,000 to anywhere between 1,000 and 2,000, but you're going to get it all back.
and plus everything they've paid. So they were paying $500 a month for 10 months. It's $5,000. It pays for the bankruptcy.
Correct.
I mean, this is so fascinating. And the truth of the matter is, as you know, these debt settlement companies, these debt consolidation companies, it's a lie. I mean, CoffeeZilla came out with this great video exposing the $10 billion debt scam.
There's a $10 billion industry which preys on poor people, is endorsed by celebrities, but most people haven't heard of, mostly because it goes by so many names.
I like something called the debt backpack method.
I recommend national debt relief to anyone who wants to become debt-free.
It's very insightful, and it's just I've never thought about suing debt settlement companies. I mean, it's really something unique, Leonard, and that's why I called you and said, you got to get on these videos. We got to educate these debtor attorneys, because debtor attorneys can be doing this nationwide.
Absolutely.
And really supporting the client and giving them the fresh start. What else would you say to these debtor attorneys watching?
I would say to the debtor attorneys that are watching, you send it by priority mail so you have tracking. You also, in your state, I'm sure there's an unauthorized practice of law statute. You may want to quote that statute. You can get jurisdiction over them through your state's long arm statute. And if the amount is significant enough, you can file the case in federal court. But state court is probably cheaper and quicker. And you also emphasize whatever your state's Consumer Fraud Act is, which does apply to pretty much everybody.
Leonard, thank you so much. Leonard Boyer, New Jersey. His information will be below. If anyone uses this technique, please give your success rate below or contact us with what the results are. Leonard, thanks for your time.
Thank you, Phil.